Introducing Percy Spencer, the American engineer, whose incredible journey from humble beginnings to pioneering microwave. Technology is a true testament to human ingenuity. During World War II, Spencer devoted his expertise to radar systems. It was during this time that a pivotal moment happened. While testing a device called a magnetron at Raytheon Corporation, he made an intriguing discovery. A candy bar in his pocket had actually melted due to the microwaves emitted by the magnetron. This unexpected observation sparked his curiosity and set him on a path towards groundbreaking innovation. Driven by this aha moment, Spencer embarked on a series of experiments. He designed a metal box with a small opening, allowing microwaves to enter. Inside this box, he placed various food items. To his amazement, the microwaves efficiently cooked the food by agitating water molecules within it, heating it from the inside out. Excited by these promising results, on October 8, 1945, Spencer filed the patent for the first practical microwave oven, forever changing the way we cook our meals. So, how exactly do microwaves work their magic? Well, these revolutionary appliances utilize electromagnetic waves with a specific frequency which causes water molecules in the food to vibrate at an incredibly rapid pace. This vibration generates heat directly within the food, allowing it to cook quickly and efficiently. Unlike conventional ovens, microwaves cook from the inside out, ensuring that your meals are evenly heated and ready to enjoy in no time. Despite its accidental origins, the microwave oven quickly became a household staple, thanks to its remarkable efficiency and unmatched convenience. Born from wartime technology, it has transformed our kitchens and daily lives, making meal preparation easier and faster than ever before. Discover the remarkable journey of Percy Spencer and his incredible invention, the microwave oven. Experience the power of human ingenuity that has revolutionized our culinary habits and made cooking a breeze.